It's Jill again with Cumming Strength Fitness, bringing you episode 3 of Lift of the Week. This week, I've planned an awesome workout for you. It's a little bit more cardiovascular, and it's something that you could do in your neighborhood or at home. And I've also got an awesome meal in store for you that you can just grab on the way home from work or at the grocery store. It's gonna be awesome. For your workout, I have a little bit of running for us this time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take 15 minutes and we're gonna do this at home, or we're gonna do it at a gym where you can get some cones, or even in your driveway. Lots of variation in this. We're gonna run from one mailbox or one cone to the next, and then we're gonna go from the second mailbox to the third mailbox, and we're gonna walk. So we're gonna go back and forth between jogging and walking. What I'm looking for here is to get a spike in your heart rate and then bring it down a little bit as you're walking to the second mailbox, and you're gonna keep that routine up for 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's a little bit different than the ones we've done before. It's a really easy one to get done in a pinch if you're pinched for time. So I hope you enjoy it. Comment below with your score if you want to. Gather your kids and your family together and do it as a family activity. It's super fun. This is my go-to. I'm in a pinch, I'm in a hurry, I'm in a rush. I'm gonna stop at the grocery store and grab something really fast. All you need to do is grab one of those amazingly awesome, you probably smell it when you walk into the grocery store, already cooked, warm, pre-made rotisserie chickens. Grab the chicken, go to the frozen section, grab a bag of your favorite green vegetable. I tend to get broccoli or green beans. Grab whatever you prefer, then swing it over to the sweet potato or potato section. Grab a few of those, however you need for your family, and buy it and get home. When you get home, the chicken's ready. Throw the vegetables in the microwave for a few minutes. Wrap those potatoes up in some saran wrap. Also throw those in the microwave for a few minutes and you're done. That's my go-to meal that we do as a family whenever we're in a pinch or we need something quick. I hope you guys enjoy it. There's a lot of ways to get variety out of this. You can change up the starch, you can change up the vegetables, but anyhow, this is the very easiest thing that you can do for on-the-go meal for your family. We're gonna wrap up this episode with your internal lift of the week, and this week I wanted us to focus on hours. Many people use the excuse, I don't have time to, or that person is successful and I don't have the time to do the things that those people do, and that's just not the truth. The truth is everyone has the same hours in the day, 24, and you get to choose how you use them. So being very intentional with your time, planning it out, having a plan, making a plan the night before or the Sunday before a week is really important in terms of making sure you get the priorities done and the things that are most important to you.